Hey, welcome back to another video, and today we are covering a few Mopar limited edition vehicles. Mopar has a customization history where they pick one model and deliver modified vehicles straight from the factory that usually have a Mopar theme with lots of add-ons and customizations. That all began in 2010 with the Mopar 10 Challenger, and Mopar has done one every year since on vehicles like the Charger, Dart, Ram, 300, and even a Jeep Wrangler. I've made a series that cover around 3 editions per video, starting with the Mopar 10 and up, so if you're interested, I'll link those videos in the description. Today we are focusing on the new Mopar 22 Durango, which was released at last week's SEMA show, as well as the past 3 Mopar editions from 2019 to 2021. So, let's begin. First off, what is Mopar? Currently, it represents the original equipment manufactured parts for the former Chrysler Corporation and FCA US vehicles, now owned by Stellantis, of course. The term Mopar is simply a blend of the words motor and parts. It was initially used by Chrysler in 1937 to put on cans of Chrysler Motor Parts Antifreeze, but it really made its mark in the 1960s during the muscle car era with lots of performance parts to enhance those vehicles. And these days, enthusiasts simply use the term Mopar to describe any Chrysler-built vehicle or part. As for the Mopar vehicles, with the 85th anniversary of Mopar, they are celebrating by releasing the Dodge Durango 22, the 12th vehicle in this series. Each vehicle has a low-volume production with a Mopar colored theme, usually black and blue or white and blue, and many Mopar accessories are added on from the factory. So far, over the 12 years, Mopar has produced over 4,000 of these special edition vehicles. As I mentioned, they released the Mopar 10 Challenger first, followed by the Mopar 11 Dodge Charger, Mopar 12 Chrysler 300, Mopar 13 Dodge Dart, Mopar 14 Dodge Challenger, Mopar 15 Dodge Charger RT, Mopar 16 Ram Rebel, Mopar 17 Dodge Challenger, Mopar 18 Dodge Durango, Mopar 19 Dodge Challenger, Mopar 20 Jeep Wrangler JPP, and Mopar 21 Ram 1500. So we will look at the Durango first, followed by the Mopar 19, 20, and 21 vehicles. At the Mopar booth at the SEMA show in Las Vegas this month, November 2nd to 5th, Mopar unveiled their limited edition Durango, which to me looks like a throwback to the Mopar 11 Charger with the black paint and the off-center stripe. First off, this is a $3,995 US package, although I'm certain that dealer markups will be substantially higher than that because there are just 250 vehicles being assembled, 200 for the US and another 50 for Canada. This package is available exclusively on the 2022 Durango RT all-wheel drive with the Plus Group and the Tow and Go package. The exterior is available in either DB black or white knuckle, and there's an offset asymmetrical Mopar blue stripe that runs along the driver's side from front to back. There's also a Mopar blue front grille badge, as well as blue Brembo brake calipers. Moving inside, each Durango gets leather and suede seats with a two-tone Mopar logo embroidered into the seat backs. Mopar blue accent stitching carries throughout the seats, instrument panel, center console, and doors. As for performance, the Mopar 22 is powered by the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with 360 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As I mentioned, this comes with the Tow and Go package, which adds some big performance increases. First, there's best-in-class towing of 8,700 pounds, along with an increased top speed to 145 miles per hour, an SRT performance exhaust, active noise cancellation, SRT active damping suspension, and an electronic limited slip differential. This package also adds track, sport, snow, and tow drive modes and performance pages. So these are all awesome features, but they're not specific to the Mopar 22, just to the Tow and Go pack. The Mopar 22 also receives 20 by 10 inch lights out wheels that are standard, with a Mopar 1 inch lowering kit for better handling, cornering, and response. The final piece that buyers gain here is a special Mopar 22 owner's kit, with a personalized metal certificate of authenticity, serialized vehicle build number, and special rendering of the vehicle from the Mopar design team. Dealer orders begin in Q1 of next year, with vehicles arriving by the summer. And again, there's 200 for the US and 50 for Canada. Now we can take a step back and check out the previous Mopar vehicles from recent memory. We'll just go backwards, so next up is the Mopar 21 Ram 1500. This one kind of flew under the radar, but the Mopar 21 vehicle was based on a Ram 1500. The model is exclusive to the Bighorn / Lone Star Crew Cab 4x4. Like the 22 Durango, there were 250 units built, 210 for the US and just 40 for Canada, and this package cost $8,500 US or $10,000 Canadian extra. Unlike most of the other Mopar editions, this Ram could be had in 4 colors: billet silver, bright white, flame red, and hydro blue. This package adds a ton of exclusive items, like black exterior decals on the doors and rear fenders, a gloss black grille, black exhaust tips, Mopar black off-road running boards, black badges and mirrors, and body-colored bumpers, door handles, and fender flares. The wheels are also black, with a 20-inch 6-spoke design, with 275/55 R20 all-season tires. Other external features include a spray and bed liner, adjustable tie-downs, tow hooks, dual trailer, and a body color one-piece tonneau cover. Moving inside, like the other vehicles, there's a Mopar 21 instrument panel badge with the build sequence number, all-weather floor mats, and the premium cloth seats feature an embroidered Mopar logo with light diesel gray stitching and MOLLE bags on the backside. The Mopar 21 owner's kit is standard as well, featuring a custom-made metal certificate of authenticity with your build number and renderings of the vehicle by the Mopar design team. There's no changes under the hood, however, with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. That's good for 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. For the 2020 edition, Mopar decided to use a Jeep for the very first time, calling it the Jeep Wrangler JPP20. This was part of a push to promote Jeep Performance Parts, otherwise known as JPP, as the brand had spent more than 100,000 hours developing and testing products before bringing over 200 of them to the market. Their statistics show that over 90% of Wrangler owners buy at least one Mopar accessory for their vehicles, so that's why the Jeep, and specifically a Wrangler, was perfect for the job here. There was no specific production stated, but it was limited to the 2020 model year. So this JPP20 was unveiled at the 2020 Chicago Auto Show, and it's loaded with those performance parts. 2 colors were available, ocean blue or white. The hood features a sweet matte black American flag graphic, and there's a JPP graphic decal on the passenger side quarter panel. Jeep also laser etched a forged aluminum JPP badge on the driver's side fender and rear swing gate. You do get full aluminum doors, but included in the package are also JPP steel tube doors and a new mirror kit. Other features include a mesh sunbonnet for shading passengers and heavy-gauge steel-coated JPP rock rails. The steel front bumper and skid plate are designed for venturing off-road, powder-coated black with D-rings. There's also a waterproof JPP Rubicon winch with 100 feet of worn Spyder synthetic rope. Moving to the rear of the JPP20, there is a swing gate hinge reinforcement that allows for a larger spare tire to be mounted on that gate. This is powder-coated black and works with the production hinge. There's also a JPP relocation kit that mounts the third brake light in the center of the spare tire. Looking inside the cabin, the seats are catskin Tuscany leather with the JPP logo embroidered in them. The standard technology would be the 7-inch 4th generation Uconnect system to go with a 7-inch instrument panel cluster. Rear park assist and blind spot monitoring are standard on the JPP20 as well. Mopar all-weather floor mats are another addition, and those feature an advanced reservoir system and deep drain channels with a drain plug and floor holes for easy cleaning. Behind the second row seats you can find the Mopar cargo tray kit to protect the cargo area and the seat backs. As always, each owner gets an exclusive kit with a personalized booklet and other memorabilia. Something we haven't seen would be a credit that you get towards a 2-inch lift kit, off-road LED lights, or Jeep wheels and tires. So you buy the car and you get the credit later. Unlike any of the other Mopar Edition vehicles, which usually just offer one engine, here we find 3 different options. A 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That has engine stop-start or the mild hybrid e-torque assist technology. Then there's the 3-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine with 260 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, also with ESS. And finally, you've got the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, also with ESS or mild hybrid e-torque assist technology. And each engine option features a standard TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. The trailer tow and heavy-duty electrical group also comes standard with 4 auxiliary switches, a high-capacity 240-amp alternator, and Class 2 hitch receiver with 4 and 7-pin adapters. Now we can take a look at the final Mopar edition for today's video, which was the 10th in the series, the Mopar 19 Challenger. This one is based on the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack, again adding lots of exterior and interior features, only available on this specific Mopar branded muscle car. This one is even more limited than its successors, with a production run of just 100, 90 for the US and 10 for Canada. and the US MSRP for the vehicle was around $46,000. We can start with the performance this time. The vehicle gets the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine with 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. The vehicle is paired with a standard 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, but you can opt for the TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic as well. That's all stock, but there were some extra upgrades here. So Mopar added a cold air intake, silver-coated front and rear strut tower braces for better handling, and strut tower caps. Onto the outside, the Mopar 19 was available in either pitch black or white knuckle. The most in-your-face visual addition here would be the blue Mopar shakedown graphics, with a Mopar blue center stripe that runs from the front fascia all the way to the rear decklet spoiler. The black shaker hood package is standard here, peeking out through the hood opening. Mopar also added black hood pins and a rear Mopar design badge on the spoiler. Wheels are 20 by 9 inch forged aluminum, and they've got Mopar center caps and valve stems, Mopar wheel locks, and two 45/45 ZR20 tires wrapped around them. Beneath them are 4-piston red Brembo calipers and rotors. Moving inside, although the seats are cloth, they do have a two-tone Mopar logo embroidered in them to go along with the premium Berber floor mats and polished Challenger door sill guards. The custom Mopar 19 instrument panel is back again, beside the passenger side air vent. Finally, the Mopar 19 kit comes with a car birth certificate detailing when it was built, a full-color booklet, unique engraved keepsake, and a Mopar 19 rendering. So that's it for this video, guys. What did you think of all these Mopar editions? And which one was your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for a lot more Mopar content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.